Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to access and use the images report that we have available within our web crawler. Now the quickest way to access this is just to simply click on the reporting link within the side menu, select the project and the site that you want to view and click go. There's a couple of ways or features that we have available to show you information about images. So under the content section within the reporting tab, we break down images into buckets of pages with 0 images, pages with 1 to 5 images, pages with 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20 and more than 20 images. All of the numbers here are links which you can click, and so if we click the link that shows the number of pages with 1 to 5 images, we get taken through to a list of all of the pages here with some additional information about these pages, such as the number of images on that page, whether the page is indexable, canonical, and if it's listed in a sitemap. This doesn't actually show you the images themselves, it just shows you the pages on which the images are located. Now if you would like to create an images report, then you just go to the export tab from the reporting feature. And from here you can click to build and then download an images report. Now an images report will look like this, and it's just a single tab spreadsheet that will show you all of the images that we found on your site. Now if an image exists in more than one location, such as this image for example, or it's used multiple times on the same page, we'll show you all of the locations where that image is used and the file type of that image, which you can use to ensure that it's using next-gen formats. The alt tag of each of the images, even if it's the same image and it's been used multiple times on the same page, or if it's the same image that's been used across multiple pages. Obviously the alt attribute can vary quite significantly, and if you're looking to optimize alt attributes for your target keywords, you'll be able to use this report to do that very easily. We also detail whether these images are found within an XML sitemap. So if you're looking to create an XML sitemap for all of your images, or if you have an XML sitemap for your images and you want to ensure that they're all listed in there, you can do that very easily here. And we also provide the specific file name of these images as well. So this is the main way in which you can see all of the images on your site and the locations of those images very easily and optimize them in any way that you wish. We also have some visualization of image data. So if we go to the SEO audit part of the site here, which you can access from multiple locations including the side menu, that will take you through, and then from the content tab here, you can see that the last table and chart show you a breakdown very similar to what you've seen in the reporting section, where it's the number of images or number of pages containing number of images. Again, all of this data is clickable, including the charts, and that will take you through to a page that shows you all of the data that's included within that there. You can also download this data if you want to see that in a CSV file. Okay, I hope this has been useful, and thanks for watching.